Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Android 13 update in the Nothing Phone 1. So right now, as you can see, this is a Nothing Phone 1 and I did install the Android 13 update in my Nothing Phone 1, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually install this Android 13 update in your device. So one quick information, so this is just a beta version only, so there might be some kind of issues and bugs as well, so be aware before you actually install this Android 13 in the Nothing Phone 1 device. So first, I'll try to put the links in the description or maybe in the comments. I'll try to pin the link as well. So from where you can actually download the direct Android 13 beta version update, as you can see. So once you click the link, try to scroll down and there you'll be able to see Nothing OS 1.5 beta. And the first link is for the Indian version users. So there you can actually directly download this and you can actually install. But the European model, you need to install first this version and then other link you need to install that, so just be aware of that. But Indian model, you can just directly click on this and you can download only one file, and this file size will be of close to 1 GB of file size will be there for this Nothing Phone 1 device. So once after you install this, download this exact Android 13, now download any other file manager, and from the file manager try to go to the file manager and then try to go to the main storage, and here you need to create the separate folder, so which is called the OTA folder. Let me to create the folder OTA. So just type like this, OTA with the capital letters OTA, and click enter. So right now the folder has been created. As you can see, this folder is created. So now what are the file you downloaded from the downloads? So from the downloads, try to select the same file, copy that and try to paste in the OTA. So this is the OTA folder. As you can see, right now I'm trying to paste the same file which is close to 1.15 GB, as you can see. So once after you paste in this file, so right now as you can see friends, the file has been copied to the OTA folder. So after this you just need to dial a number. So let me to show you exactly. So this is what you need to dial in the dialer: ***682 ****. As you can see, this is the exact secret code which is there to update the software in this Nothing Phone 1. So you need to dial that. So once after you dial that number, it will scan for the local file, as you can see. So right now it did detect a local file which is Android 13, and try to click on that and it will automatically gets updated. So make sure to keep the phone in full charge, maybe around above 75%. That will be best case, because this gonna take long time to install this process. So that's what you should remember guys before you install in the Nothing Phone 1 device. Let me know in the comment section below in case if you have any other questions on this topic. I'll definitely test out the performance. And finally, I did install as well in my device Android 13. As you can see, Android 13 has been installed in my device as well, and I'll definitely try to update you guys regarding the performance and battery going to be there in this Nothing Phone 1 device. So meanwhile, make sure to follow my playlist. All the links will be available in the description below for the Nothing Phone 1 as well. Until then, signing off friends, thank you for watching and bye.